Assalamualaikum friends, it's me, your host Namil Khan, and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing site which name is bitcoin.token.com. So I will also give the link of this site in my video description. You just click on the link of this site and you will find out this page. This is the home page of the bitcoin.token.com. So in my video, I am going to show you how we can join their pre-sale and how we can become a millionaire by earning a huge profit by holding this Bitcoin token. So first of all, before starting my video in detail, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel on tips and press the bell icon to see my videos first. So in this video, we also discuss how this trading is safe and why BME is a very famous and how we can generate a huge profit, and we also discuss about their roadmap, their pre-sale, and their social medias also. Bitcoin is the first of its own yet the most profitable multi-rewarding mechanism for adopting to make sure the community will benefit from holding BME. What will be this token and how it will work? The first project which adopts the fully automated multi-rewarding mechanism such as BTC daily rewarding model, the BME rewarding model, and our Bitco cycle model, the sessional investment program to reward our community. The BME project believes that BTC is for all people, which means that all people should equally have the chance to earn BTC. Therefore, we are here to take the first step in making this belief come true. So, after discussing about the little introduction, we discuss about their pre-sale. Just if you want to join their pre-sale, just click on the join pre-sale, and when you click on the join pre-sale, you will find out this page. This is the page how we can connect your wallet with this token site to join their pre-sale. If you want to connect their wallet, you just click on the connect here and click wallet connect. When you click on wallet connect, you will find out this QR code. If you scan from your mobile or in other wallet, then you will be easily connect your wallet with this site. Or if you want to connect by the desktop, you click on the desktop here. You will be choose your preferred wallet as you wish. So after choosing the wallet, your wallet is easily connected to this site and you will be able to join their pre-sale. After connecting your wallet, I want to discuss this. Their pre-sale rate is only 1 BNB and available token are mentioned here, and their soft cap is 500 BNB and their hard cap is round about 1000 BNB. Here you can also check their minimum and maximum count, and minimum count is 0.5 BNB and their maximum is 5 BNB. So you can easily join their pre-sale by connecting your wallet, and you also check their BNB raised. This is 446 by 1000 BNB, which is equal to 44.6% of the hard cap. So after discussing about their pre-sale, we go back to our home page and discuss about their roadmaps and why this trading is safe. When you click on their home, you will find out this page. This is the home page of their site. So after checking their pre-sale, we scroll down and we discuss about their community. For our own success to be real, it must contribute to the success of the community. We are delighted to be the first project which adopts the fully automated multi-rewarding mechanism such as BTC and daily rewarding model, the BME rewarding model, and our Bitco cycle model, the sessional investment program to reward our community. So we already discussed this before starting our video in detail, and after this we discuss why this trading is safe. So this is safe because this has 11% redistributed in BTC. 11% of each successful transaction sell and buy will be reallocated and distributed to BME community holders. So this is a long short investment, a highly profitable and the stable program that aims to support our community expectations and provides income stability and fulfills investors satisfaction. So this have 1% is distributed in the BME. 1% of each successful transaction sell buy will be reallocated and the distributed to BME community holders. So, after discussing why it is safe, we discuss their team statement. BTC future is yet to come, and from our understanding of the importance and the added value of the blockchain, our ultimate goal, BME community, is to step in achieve that goal by educating the community about daily threats such as scam tokens and that decide traders in their daily trading activities. Also, allowing our community to own BTC in their portfolio as reward in exchange for holding the BME token. So after discussing this, we discuss why BME is high rate from other tokens. So this first is community. All token returns will be diverted to the community in form of BTC and BME. And the other one is locked wallet. Represents 76% of the total supply. Locking wallets will start at the moment of the launching on PancakeSwap, and they have multi-rewarding mechanisms were adopted to make sure that the community will benefit from holding BME. So after discussing, we also discuss they have the deflationary token to maintain and stabilize the token value and the restrain the potential price inflation. So this have auto protect, anti whale and anti dump system were implemented on the contract. They have auto burn implemented to burn 3.5% of the buy sell transaction. So after this we discuss their roadmap. Their roadmap have these different stages. The first stage is round about quarter 3. We discuss this. First thing is website launching, announcing the white paper, launching social media accounts, launching the wallet, whitelist, pre-sale, fair launch on PancakeSwap, submit the contract to audit and submit for CMC and CoinGecko include in the stage first. So after discussing stage 1, we discuss their 2021 quarter 4, publishing the dashboard, establishing a company headquarters, promoting the and marketing campaigns to introduce the BME project, communicating and charities, health institutions and educational establishments globally. Launch our BME app. So these two stages include in their roadmap. After roadmap, we discuss about their social media. If you want to see their Telegram, you just click on this icon. You will you will find their Telegram group. Here, first thing is necessary to subscribe it. When you subscribe it, you will be easily informed and you will be easily updated from each and every information that they shared on their group. Here you can see their pin post. When you click on their pin post, you just see their pin post. They include be part of the Bitmine community and Telegram group are mentioned here. For global Telegram group is here, and for Arab and Turk different Telegram. They have different Telegram group. Here you can see their other important information about their tokens, and you can also be see and you will be able to know that how you can join their pre-sale and how you can buy it, and when you will be when you should buy it and when you should sell it to generate a huge profit. So after discussing their Telegram, we discuss about their Twitter group. When you click on their Twitter, you will find out their Twitter page. Here is a Twitter page of the Bitcoin. The first thing is to follow it and press the bell icon to see their each and every information on the single page. Here you can see that they joined in August 2021 and they have 6,445 followers. And the first pin post is here. You can also see that the Bitcoin community, are you ready? Pre-sale live now. They also give their different links to join their pre-sale. So in my every video, in the end of my every video, I suggest you all, I recommend you all to subscribe and follow their social medias, because this is very necessary if you have interest to invest or if you have interest to buy their tokens and hold their tokens. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.